Good morning, my all friends. Myself Saurabh Tiwari. In the last video, we have discussed about the equations of motion and also derived the first equation of motion by using graphical method. And today's lecture, we will discuss about the second and the third equation of motion by using graphical method, and we will also derive it by using graphical method, and we will derive it in a simple way. How can we prove it in easiest method? So for the second and the third equations of motion by using graphical method, so firstly we have to draw a graph. We know that the second equation of motion is F is equal to ut plus half at square for it. We have to plot a graph. So plotting a graph, firstly a body has some initial velocity. This is the initial velocity of the body, and after some times the body increased its velocity, and its velocity become v after the time t. We are plotting velocity time graph, and it is the initial velocity which is represented by term u, and the body gets its final velocity which we will represent by the term v. Both are parallel, so we draw a parallel line which represents the final velocity of the body, and from u we draw a straight line which represented the uniform acceleration. This is uniform acceleration. So we draw a parallel line, and from here we will draw a parallel line A, B, C, D, E, F. AB represent initial velocity of the body, T represent the time taken by the body, A represent the acceleration. We know that the distance traveled by the body is equal to the area of the graph. Distance equal to the area of the figure. Look at the figure A, B, D, F. From ABDF is divided into two figures, have two areas. First AED, which is triangle, AED, which is triangle, and ABEF, which is rectangle. So area of BDE plus area of rectangle ABEF. Distance represented by S is equal to area of BD. Area of BDE is triangle, so area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height plus area of rectangle, length into breadth, 1/2 base is equal to BE is equal to AF, and AF is equal to T, then T into height is equal to DE. We do not know the value of D because DF is V, then DE plus length of the rectangle, length is t and breadth is u. And the last lecture we found the value of dE, which is equal to 80 plus t into u. Then we have find the area of triangle, half 80 square plus ut, which is equal to the distance travelled by the body. So we have find an equation, f is equal to ut plus half 80 square. So we have derived the second equation of motion. Now we will discuss about the proof of the third equation of motion, which is v square is equal to u square plus 2af, and the graph is just similar as the first and the second equation. A, B, D, E is a trapezium. In the last equation, in the second equation of motion, we have told that distance travelled by the body is equal to the area of the figure. So from the figure A, B, D, E, which is a trapezium, so distance travelled by the body equal to area of trapezium A, B, D, E. A, B, D, E. We know that the area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into height. We know that the area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into height. So now we will put the values. Sum of parallel sides, BA and DE are parallel, then BA plus DE which are parallel, and height of the following figure trapezium, height is AE. Look at the point AE. AE is the height of the following trapezium. Now 1 by 2 into, we know the value of BA, U plus DE, V, which is the final velocity. AE is equal to T, equation number first. And now we know that from the first equation of motion, V is equal to U plus AT. It is the first equation of motion. V minus U is equal to AT. A is equal to V minus U upon T, and T is equal to V minus U upon A, because we have to eliminate the value of T from the following equation. So from the equation number 1, from equation 1, we will eliminate the value of T. So distance F is equal to 1 by 2 into V plus U into V minus U upon A. In other terms, V plus U, V minus U upon 2A equal distance. a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, v square minus u square. Cross multiplication is equal to 2as. In other form, we can write v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is the third equation of motion, and we have derived it by graphical method. I hope you have understood these derivations easily after this video. If you have any confusion, any doubt, any problem, then you can mention it in my comment box. I will try to solve your problem in easiest way. Thanks for watching.